Are you new to gardening and want to grow flowering plants? Then go for bougainvillea. It's a very hardy plant and so great for beginners. In today's video, I'll share few simple care tips for maximum flowering in your bougainvillea plant. So, welcome to Plantify. First and foremost thing, bougainvillea needs lots of sun. So for maximum flowering, keep it in a place in your balcony or terrace where it can get maximum direct sunlight. See, I keep this bougainvillea along the edge of my balcony and it produces lots of flowers, lots of bright colored flowers. Whereas I kept my other bougainvillea in this corner. Here it don't get much direct sunlight during the summer months, and you can see the number of blooms drastically reduced during summer days. Another very crucial point for maximum flowering is watering. Control your watering for maximum flowers. Heavy watering will produce more leaves and branches and not flowers. That's why you will see the plant is full of new leaves and branches during monsoon. Let the plant grow during that period. Once the monsoon is over, prune the branches lightly and let the soil dry out. Water the plant sparingly when you see the soil is completely dry. From September-October, it will again start blooming. See, this clip is from October last year, and this is during Diwali. Once the flowers appear, then start watering thoroughly. This will help the plant to hold the flowers for longer period of time. Otherwise, the flowers will dry out quickly. Now, since we want to keep the soil on the drier side for bougainvillea plant, soil should be well draining and fast drying. Do not add coco peat or peat moss with this soil, as they will retain moisture for longer period of time. Frequently loosen up the soil with the help of a trowel, like this. Loosening up of the topsoil is beneficial for any kind of plants, not only bougainvillea. It helps in aeration of the soil, which make the soil healthy and fertile. Also, it helps the inner layer of the soil to dry up. Now coming to fertilizer. Bougainvillea is not at all a heavy feeder. They don't need much fertilizer. Too much nitrogen-rich fertilizer like cow dung compost or kitchen waste compost will encourage vegetative growth, which is not desired for us. Fertilizing the plant twice a year is sufficient. Fertilize during September-October and during February-March timeframe when the temperature is moderate. Add 1 or 2 fistful of compost to the soil. Additionally, you can give liquid mustard cake fertilizer and few granules of DAP. Another important work you need to do for maximum flowering is deadheading and pruning your plant. Deadheading means cutting off the dried flowers and flower stalks. Pruning means cutting off the long branches. Deadhead after each flowering season and light prune after monsoon. That is, cut off the tips of the long branches. It will encourage the plant to produce more branches, and more branches means more flowers. And if you want to keep your plant in a controlled shape and size, then hard prune during February. February means just before the spring. Spring is growing period for the plants, so pruning before the spring will encourage the plant to grow more vigorously. I repotted and hard pruned my bougainvillea plant during February, and during spring, new growth started. Soon it was full of new leaves. And in summer it started blooming. I got lots of bloom this time from this plant. Now, if you are a beginner, don't get overboard with fertilizers and all. Just take care of the watering as mentioned earlier in this video and keep the plant in full sun. You will get lots of bloom. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like this video then please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Plantify. See you next week with another video. Till then, happy gardening.